Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. To my new viewers and to my return subscribers, God bless you all for clicking on this video. I appreciate you all. So today's vlog is my very realistic 5 a.m. morning routine as a mom of 3. And as you can see, I am currently pregnant with baby number 4. So, to make life easy for me, even before I got pregnant, if you've been watching my butt cooking video, you know that most weekends I make sure I cook stew, like I make sure I butt cook stew that would carry, my family for the next coming weeks. Okay, to me, I keep saying this, stew is a lifesaver as a mom. I can easily whip up anything with stew. Though I have a food menu that I use for my kids on a daily basis. If you've seen my videos on food ideas that I pack for my kids to school as their lunch, you would see different food ideas there that I pack for my kids. Most times I do go back to those videos okay, whenever I have to draft food menu anyway. So my darlings, without talking much, I would really want you to enjoy watching this vlog. It's a very realistic vlog as a mom without a house help. Although for today, my sister is around in the house to help me with the kids, okay? So please just enjoy this very realistic 5 a.m. morning routine vlog that I've put together for you guys. But of course, this is not just a 5 a.m. morning routine. After the kids got to school, I continued my morning. So please watch to the very end and give the video a big thumbs up. A big thumbs up while you watch. Like the video. And to my new viewers, please hit the subscribe button and be part of Becky the Mommy's YouTube family. Thank you, my darlings, once again for watching.
You knit me in my mother's womb. Oh, I praise you, God. You chose me. Yes, you chose me. You saw me in the secret place, in my unformed shape. You wove me together out of nothing. You made me. Ba 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 da 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 ba 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 da da da. I am yours, and I know you have goodness for me. I am yours, and you are mine. I am yours, and I know you see beauty in me. I am yours, and you are mine. You know my days that are to come. You know my thoughts.
to all the mamas watching me, I mean, if you're a mom of a toddler or grown-up kids that are going to school, I would really, really appreciate your contribution to the question I'm about to ask. Now, here is the question. What type or kind of food do you think is best to give to kids in the early hours of the morning? I mean, on a school day. Now, considering the time frame, I mean, time is a factor, okay, when it comes to school runs in the morning. So, what type of food or what kind of food would you suggest as a mom to give to kids in the morning? Now, as you saw in this video, I made oat. Oat is very easy to cook. Within 3 to 5 minutes, it is ready. And oat is very, very rich in fiber. Okay, as an adult, whenever I take oat, especially with bread, or even if I take the oat alone, it's very filling and it holds up to more than 2 hours. Okay, 2 to 3 hours before you get hungry again. So I feel it's one of the best cereals to give to kids in the morning, especially kids going to school. Okay, and another food that I give to my kids in the morning is one very easy food that I can make in the morning is bread, fried egg, and tea. What we call tea in Nigeria, which is hot choco. Okay, beverage. Okay, yeah. I don't know if you get the point. So yeah, I just mentioned 2 different type of food that I give to my kids that I know and I'm sure, that is filling and holds up for a few hours before the next meal they'll be having, which is their school lunch. Okay, now when it comes to the school lunch, that's why I make sure I pack proper real food, proper homemade food for my kids. Now, with that being said, I think I have mentioned this before. I have a couple of videos on different food ideas that you can pack for your kids to school as their lunch, of which I will be linking those videos in the description box. Okay, and please, mamas, also do well to pack fruits for your kids. I do pack fruits for my kids as their snacks because they have their snacks time. Okay, so I do more of fruits, and I do more of fruits than packed juice and all of that. You guys, in my previous pregnancies, when I go for antenatal checkups, I've been in conversations with other fellow pregnant women where they talk about how different babies come with different leg. I never fully get to understand that phrase until this my fourth pregnancy. I've been dealing with a lot in this pregnancy. I mean, in my three previous pregnancies, I haven't dealt with any complications. I mean, no serious complications. But this fourth pregnancy has been something else. When I mean something else, I mean medically, it's been a high risk one, of which I'll be explaining in details in my next video. But for the now, I have been dealing with severe anemia, and this is what I have been taking to help, build blood and iron in my system. So, my darlings, moving forward, I'm prepping to go to my store because, this period is not a time for me to be alone in the house. The kids have gone to school. Hubby is off to work after dropping the kids in school. And I myself, I just have to leave the house, even if I'm required to rest due to everything that is going on. So guys, at this point it was currently 9:30 a.m. thereabouts. Okay, and I was set to go to the store, to my store. I would rather have myself, working. I mean, whenever I am crafting, my mind is busy, of course. I'm thinking less, okay, with everything that I'm dealing with in this pregnancy. It is not a good idea to be isolated and staying back at home in the name of resting would be me isolating myself and thinking too much of the whole circumstances surrounding the pregnancy and all. And you know what that can do psychologically or mentally. So I'd rather have myself busy. And thank God I have a physical store where I can go to and, work and keep myself busy until 2:30, 3:30 thereabouts, when I have to go and pick the kids again from school. Or the period's hubby is around, hubby picks the kids up from school, okay, while I stay back in the store till my closing time. So my darlings, this is what I do. I craft jewelries, I dress brides up, I sell traditional accessories for grooms and bride, for all the ethnic groups in Nigeria. I mean, Igbo, Edo, Bini, Rivers, name it, any traditional wedding accessories that you need. So please, if you know a bride to be or a groom to be planning their traditional marriage, please refer them to Be Classic Store. My Instagram handle will be written as a caption, okay, and you can also find a link to my Instagram handle in the description box, okay. So please do well to patronize and do well to refer my brand to anyone whom you know that is planning their traditional wedding. I also do ashebi orders, okay. I mean, beads for men, walking stick, ishago materials, bula cap, bula hat, onowu hat, igwe hat. You guys just check out my Instagram handle and you will see more of what I do, okay. Now, as a pregnant mama, I just had to eat again. I mean, that moi I ate in the house before leaving the house was just to hold myself okay, for that moment, okay. So as soon as I get to the store, one of the first things I do is I eat before I start working, okay. My darlings, thank you so much for watching this video.